Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Atalaganiu Pradana Biakta and I'm from class X TKGB. Today I'm going to explain about router on a stick. So what is router on a stick? It's a simple and easy way to connect more than one VLAN in a network. In our topology, we have two VLANs. At first, these VLANs cannot talk to each other because they are in different network. For example, a computer in a VLAN 10 can connect to a computer in a VLAN 20. To make them communicate, we need a layer 3 device. A layer 3 device is something like a router or a multi-layer switch that can send data between different network. In this project, we will use a router. We will use a method called router on a stick. This method lets one router port connect to many VLANs. We do that by creating sub-interface, one for each VLAN. Each sub-interface has its own IP address, so it's like having small routers inside one main router's port. Even with only one cable between the router and the switch, all VLANs can still send data. How is that possible? Because we use something called .1Q encapsulation, which helps identify each VLAN data. There are a few ways to connect VLANs on a router. We can use the legacy method or router on a stick. The legacy method uses one cable for each VLAN, and that not efficient. Router on a stick is better because it only uses one cable for all VLANs. On a multi-layer switch, we can also connect VLAN using SVI, which means switch virtual interface. That one is faster, but in this project, we will use router on a stick because it's simple and easy to learn. By using router on a stick, each VLAN will get its own gateway IP address. Now VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 can communicate with each other smoothly. So in short, router on a stick is a method that connects multiple VLANs using just one router port. It's simple, efficient, and perfect for small or medium network. Next, we will move to the configuration part and start setting up router on a stick in Cisco Packet Tracer. And let's test ping. Success. Success. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.